Good morning, cyber traders. Who's in a good mood this morning? Everybody having a good day today? A little little Bitcoin, huh? Good to see you, Lita. Good to see everybody. Good on social media. Good to see everybody. Yeah, you know what? I was at my son's wrestling match yesterday, and all of a sudden I'm getting like it went late. It was like just it was his first match, and we were there till like 8, 9 o'clock. All of a sudden, I'm getting these messages from people telling me, say, hey, what's going on Bitcoin? What's going on Bitcoin? I'm like, oh, we know what's going on Bitcoin. I've been talking about it for months. We talk in our trading room. And all of a sudden, everyone saw what was going on with that stock. Big move on it. I jumped back into it yesterday in IBIT. I chased it down here at the bottom. I own at 56 and 12, right around here. When I saw it right around 230, starting to make a little bit of, was it 56, right? Yeah, 56.12. Right around here, I saw it. I'm like, you know what? This thing's not really dropping. There's something going on. I own it. And then all of a sudden, boom, this thing is just a big pop, broke over 100,000. I'm actually going to do a video for some of you. Hopefully you watch me on social media. You're a subscriber. I'll do a meeting. I'll explain to you exactly what happened in the next 30 minutes. I'm going to make a quick video of why Bitcoin went up so much. Okay. I think everybody wants to know why. And, they're like, what made it go up and how did it break 100? I'll take care of that. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm going to have that posted right after we're done with this meeting right here. Okay. So it will be on our YouTube. I'll have it on Instagram. I'll have it on TikTok. So just make sure you like us, friend us, and share us. All right. Very important that you send it, share it to everybody, because everybody's going to want to know exactly why Bitcoin went up so much. And they're probably wondering where it's going to go from there. And we'll go and I'll show you why. But there just remember, it's not about just Bitcoin. There are other stocks out there that we've traded. Okay, it went up nicely, but there are some stocks that yesterday did really well. And there's also some really good ones this morning that moved up pretty nicely, like Tara that we own. I know a lot of you here that are in the pre-market trading in our cyber group room. Some of you here that are watching on social media, you probably don't know that, but take your phone, click on the QR code in the top left-hand corner, click on the link, join our trading room. We're here till 7:30 every morning. The stock since this morning at 8 o'clock, actually 7:30 had a really nice move, but I jumped in late, actually. I jumped in really late. I got in right out here, $5.42. So I jumped in all the way up here. I got in around 8:30. So even at 8:30, at 1,000 shares at a $7 $5 investment, you still up $1,800, $1,900. Where are you going to make that? Where are you going to make? We have to tie a lot of money. Everybody thinks how much money you need to trade. You don't need a lot of money to do this. I don't know what people have this misconception, but you know what? This is why we love day trading. This is why we love trading. And it's awesome. By the way, I got to tell you one funny story. Who here has been married for a long time? Okay. I want to tell you a quick story before we go into the watch list and everything else. Anyone here married for a long time? A lot. Okay. Everyone. 54 years, 24 years. Okay. Lynn and Randy, you're actually a classic example because I'm basically going to because we have like husband and wife in here. So 33 years, Samuel. Anybody on here on YouTube and Instagram? What do you guys? Anyone here married for a long time? I know it's anybody here chatting here in there. Anybody here married? Okay, so let me just tell you what happened. You know what happens? You really have too much to talk about, right? You really don't have too much to talk about. The kids, the grandkids, the parties. Eventually you lose the excitement, right? You want to spark in your excitement? Get your spouse to buy. Get involved with you in the trading. So anyway, some of you know I went to a big conference down in Florida, and it was a AI and a crypto conference, and she got all hooked on the Bitcoin. I said, yeah, just buy some, honey. Why not? What do you got to lose, right? Some of you here in my cyber group room, you met my wife out to the dinners on our on-site, stuff like that. She will not leave me alone. Stop talking to me now. Every day's like, oh my God, did you see what's going on? Hey, I just tweeted something on my Instagram. I'm getting so many. She's having a pissa right now. She's having a great time. And like I said, so if you want to maybe a girlfriend or boyfriend or husband, you know what? Just tell them to buy a stock, that you're in. Get them involved in your, what you do. You're right. And I'm telling you, it's going to change things, especially if they're making money. I'm telling you, you're gonna have a great time. It's going to totally change a whole new relationship. Like, wow, my God, it's like going to I don't like to say going to the casino and, because I don't know if you guys been to Vegas, it's fun and everything else, but this is like all day long. This is just so much fun. So anyway, I had to say that because she's been harassing me all morning. I'm like, I gotta lock my door. It's so funny. Anyway, oh no, not there. C2 better than a college education. It really is, right, Lynn? I'm glad you enjoyed it. But and anyway, so let's go through the watch list. Let's see what's going on, what we traded yesterday, because there were a couple of good stocks that did move, and then we'll go through it. Obviously, iBid is one of them. We had that big gap up. Stock had a big pop right there. Big run up right there. So, I jumped in late. I mean, I had this stupid stock right around 50. I sold it at 52. A lot of us own it here at 40. I had a huge profit. I was waiting for a consolidation. We talked about this in phase 3. And sure enough, obviously, this is what it's all about. So I paid more for it. Big deal. Better being in it, not being in it at all, right? That's the beauty of it. Irene. And I'm not talking about my neighbor, Irene. I'm talking about the stock, Irene. Iris Energy. This stock doing really, really well. Another Bitcoin stock. I own this stock up until about, thanks to Josh, about $10. I think we bought it, right, Josh? You probably know better than me. Own that stock right there. It is. I'm a little nervous on this resistance levels right here at 1504. If we break this, it's going to be an all-time high on this stock. This stock was a very good move early in the morning. I can go back here in history, just show you how big the chart is right here. So you can see that we got big resistance levels right going back into 2022, right around these price ranges, around between $15 and $16. You could see what happened. It hit that number and it came crashing down. I don't want to be the sucker holding it at $1. All right. I will never hold the stock to $1. Chances are I'll probably get out maybe about 13 if it goes down. But this is a swing trade. It's not a day trade. But it was a good day trade yesterday. It was a really good day trade. Stock did awesome. And it's still looking awesome. Once again, I say it all the time. Day trades turn to swing trades. Swing trades turn to options trades. If you're doing the opposite, if you're not day trading and you're options trading first, you're trading backwards. Remember, it's the movement of the stock that makes a swing trade. And it's the movement of what happens over the course of the day that does an option trade. Don't get caught in that crazy loophole of people like, oh, leverage, this and that. Bullshit, okay? You can't win with a stock. You're not going to win with an option. All right, telling you that right now. And I'll keep repeating and I'll say it till I'm blue in the face. Anyway, a couple more stocks also. Soon's moved up pretty nicely too. That one's been doing, not only is a good day trade, it's been doing a good swing trade yesterday. This one's going back on the watch list. Soon's. Okay, you got that one. That stock's been just doing great. $6 up to almost 11 today. Nice move. QU. By the way, this is, if everyone is logging in late, these are stocks that we traded yesterday. Okay, so that's how they turn into day trades, into swing trades. This stock also, QUBT, great mover yesterday. And she's still up a little bit. This thing does not want to back off. Since early November, we've been trading the stock was at $1.30. Look at this. You thought Bitcoin was doing great. This thing's up almost 700%. All right. So this one, I'll put it on the B list. I'm not putting it on the A list, but looks pretty good so far. VFS was another one. Beautiful runner. Great trend. It was a slow mover. You had to be patient with it, but since 10 o'clock this morning, $4 to $5, I'll take that any day. $1 a day, 1,000 shares, $1,000, $250,000 salary. Who doesn't want that job? So it ran a little slow. All right. Not as quickly as the other ones. Just a few more really quick. CYCN was another one that moved up nice and it came crashing down. So a little bit on the volatile side. I like the other one a little bit better. That one did what Marvel was really good. Had good earnings. That one gapped up. We trade that in phase 1. It holds earnings are a different story. You want to learn how to trade earnings. I did do a video on that on YouTube. Definitely watch it. And CRM did really well too. That one gapped up with earnings. And PLTR, I'm a big fan of that. I screwed up yesterday and I do screw up. Yes. I'm not always in the green. All right. We made a lot of money with PLTR. I was a big fan of it. I got shaken out, okay, right around here. I'm sorry. I got shaken out right around here. I got shaken out and when I did my class, and it came back up to that big resistance of 70. But look how volatile. And then the thing tanked and it came back. Remember what I always say: things have to go down before they can go back up. Okay, that's how you know how strong a stock is. You got to see the selling pressure and see if the buyers outbid the sellers. Now, let's go to today's morning watch list, all right? Because I know that's what everyone's waiting for. So going through the big percentage gainers, you got the stock RKDA. This one actually, this one has got a nice little push, couple of orders hovering here, right around 950 and so on. I'm not a huge fan of it. Volume is great, 16 million. Spread's a little big. It's going to probably be a category 3, so it's going to be a little volatile, but we'll put it on the watch list. All right. What else we got? We got IBIT going back on the watch list. IBIT. We got you got Tara. Okay, Tara's looking really good. I'm not seeing any sellers out there. Let me just show you here on level 4 what's going on. Remember, if you're new here, it's about the right of the chart. It's not about the left of the chart. The left does not exist unless the sellers and buyers are out there on the right. No sellers. I'm feeling pretty good about it. Still looking pretty strong. Looks like it might test 8. All right. Tara, for anyone that's in here, good for you. If you're not, I guess you got to wait till the market opens up. PRFX. All right. This one right here, it's been trending down right now. Not really a big fan of it. It came up, was up early this morning, starting to go back down. It was a $75 stock, 17 million shares, nice volume. I'll put it on the B list. PRFX. Fox, that one just came out of nowhere. It just moved up and popped back up. Volume, you guys, it just moved down. It just came out of nowhere. So news must have just came out on the stock. Looks like a new IPO. FOXX, that one's not bad. This one's trending down. This one's got ugly chart. MSTX, expensive. You know how we feel about expensive stocks. This one's up pretty big. I guess earnings came out on the yesterday. NNOX, 4 million shares. It's hovering here at these prices. Not bad. NNOX. Now remember, these stocks, these day trades, they turn into swing trades. 5 below, had good earnings. Looks like it gapped up a little bit. I've taken a big hit. $200 stock, dropped all the way down to $50. That was a pretty good buy, actually, in 5 below. Not bad store. IBCT, there's another ETF of Bitcoin. Put that one on your watch list. And we're done there. Any good losers? Probably everything that we found that was big up yesterday, showing up on the losers list. You know what I found on here? Chip is moving. I don't know what's up with the stock. I guess they had good earnings yesterday. ChargePoint. This is a nice slow stock for all you beginner traders. You can play around with this ChargePoint. This one is gapped up pretty big. QS is moving up pretty nicely. It's got a good spread, good movement. Volume 3 million shares. This list is pretty big. I got too many stocks on here. We traded this stock before, so we know this stock very, very well. All right. What's this? S. Taking a big hit. All right. I think we're done right there. What's happening with the car stocks? Anything going on with them? No. All right. So Tara's look like it's moving pretty well. So Tara looks like the big winner so far. So, yep, definitely moving. Right, guys? All right, fellow traders. So let's get ready. So listen, today at 12 o'clock, open house. We sent out an email. If you want to come and join us, I'm going to teach you exactly how to trade these stocks. I'm going to talk a lot about Bitcoin. I'm going to show you exactly how that stock made a big move this morning. Make sure you subscribe to it. You got the little QR code on top left-hand corner. If you do miss us, you could always join us later and watch the recording. Cyber traders, let's get ready for the market to open up. We got about 15 minutes. We'll start commentary there. Just I'm happy all you guys are here to be part of the team. And like I said, it's never, ever too late to buy and make money on these stocks, okay? Listen, if you missed the Bitcoin, you always got the Tara moving, and it's looking pretty damn good. I'm really excited about it. Look at that. I'm up 2,800. All right. See you in about 15 minutes, everybody. For everyone else that's watching on social media, I'll see you back here at 12 o'clock. Or if you want to come join the trading room, we're here all day. from 7:30 to 4:30. See you, everyone. Trade safe.